All right, next part. I'm still working on the Miguel Hernandez, Spanish poet, died in prison in Spain, 1944. And made it a little bit rougher here with some lines, gestural drawn lines, as opposed to just doing the dots. And here's the photo I'm drawing from. Okay. Again, using a metal pen nib point, whatever you want to call it, on a plastic holder, dipped in like India ink, black drawing ink. Okay, onto this ear here. Oops, that's coming out a little heavy. Well, that's okay. A little dark and light contrast, a little heavy, works okay. Gives it a little more value compositional melding between light and dark. All right, to be continued. Getting there. There's the portrait seen upside down of Gerda Taro, the first woman war photographer of note.